Hey guys, in this video we are going to make a simple portable power bank. So the things we need to make this power bank is a 7805 voltage regulator, a female USB socket which was taken out from an old USB hub, a battery connector, a 9-volt battery, and a case to fit it all together. First we have to solder the red and black wire of the battery connector to the 7805's input and ground. Red goes to input pin on the left of the regulator, black goes to the middle, which is ground. Now take a short length of red wire and solder it to the output of the voltage regulator and solder the other end of the wire on the positive side of the USB socket. Now solder the black wire to the negative side of the USB socket and solder the other end of the black wire to the middle pin of the voltage regulator. Now I'm soldering the two data lines of the USB socket together just because this way it charges my phone a bit quicker. You can leave that as it is if you want and it's still going to work. Now let's plug in the battery and check the voltage of the circuit. 9 volt is going in the input pin and on the output pin we have almost 5 volts. Perfect. Okay, so now we can connect our phone to see if it's actually charging. And yes, it is charging my phone. Amazing. Now we can put the entire things inside this Tic Tac box. First goes the USB socket, then comes the regulator, and then the battery connector. Now we are ready to charge our phone. And sure enough, it's charging. Like this video if you find this video interesting. Subscribe to the channel for more similar content. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next video.